Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create Audiomack artist account on your Android or iOS device. Alright, so you can do that on phone. You don't necessarily need a PC before you can be able to create an artist account on Audiomack. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my Audiomack artist dashboard. So this is where I can upload my new song or album, and also I can get insights of my song that I release, like to know the views, the followers, the comments, etc. And from here I can manage my song, I can delete anyone I want, I can edit them, etc. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually create Audiomack artist account on your phone. So let's get started guys. So the first step you have to take guys is to go to App Store or Play Store, and then you have to install Audiomack Creator app. Okay, so this is my App Store. I'm going to search for Audiomack, and you find the Creator. Yeah, so just click on the Audiomack Creator, and then you can see it at the top. Right, so I already have it installed, so if you are seeing it there, just click on install, and then to be installed on your phone. So once it's installed on your phone, that's all you need guys to upload your music, to do anything you want on Audiomack. So here's it right here at the top. So I'm going to tap on the creator. So if you're using the app for the first time, you're just going to have to sign up for an account, and you can sign up for an account using your email address or Facebook account or Apple ID or Twitter account, as you can see right there at the top. So guys, so if you just look at the bottom of your screen, you find this. So this at the top is the sign-in options. Why you can just look at the bottom. If you're a new user, just look at the bottom and you can see or create a free creator account. So tap on the accounts option, and then you can get started with creating an account. So all you basically have to do is to choose a username, enter your email address, create a password, and that's all. So once you're done with that, just sign up, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can actually create artist account on Audiomack. So with the account, you can be able to upload a song, manage your songs, and lots more. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like, and equally subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.